Okay, cool. So basically, most of us are from the college, right? You are pursuing something, and it's really a great opportunity, and you know, it's a very good decision to pursue the course. Uh, so some random course, basically, not about only the AI course or something like that. So when you are in the college, you are not get confirm in your mind that what you want to pursue, right? You want to become a software engineer who can work into the JavaScript, who can build the front end, who can build the back end, or a person who can go into the deployment side, which we can call it as a DevOps, right? A person like us who wants to go into the AI side. Now, AI side also, it's not like that. Okay, that's only a one job of the AI engineer, right? So in the AI as well, there is a different sectors. So nowadays, like there is a vast opportunity of the AI. So which is starting first of all from the business development job. So you don't believe, but yeah, people who have a degree of engineering, who is specialized into the AI and machine learning, they're also going into the business development executive role, where they are specifically selling AI to the companies. Okay, because nowadays in the market, the problem is everyone wants AI. Okay, so for an example, you have one particular company, right? You are running one particular company, a very niche product you are selling to the people, right? And you want to use the AI in your system somewhere, but you don't know where to use the AI, right? Now, who can understand that, okay, how we can make this particular process easy using AI? So, a particular person who have a knowledge of the AI, who have done his research or her research into the AI, that only that person can give you the suggestion that, okay, you can use AI over here and your work will be easy, or you can remove the dependency of the human over here, right? So that is the very first role and very niche role. Basically, the people are selling AI to the companies, which is the basically a marketing team or a sales team, the part of sales team. Then second came as a business analyst. Okay, so now what happened before, like a 2 3 years, business analyst was a common. So if you want to make any software or any website or something like that, there is only a business analyst who is gathering the requirement, right? Write down the requirement, write down the documents, high level documents, low level documents of the requirement, how you can pursue the requirement, how you will guide the developers. So there was a very common role. But nowadays, there is a special business analyst who is only working with the AI applications. Okay. So your job will be over here is gather the requirement from the client, what client want. You can make the documentation. You can think about it that, okay, how we can fulfill this particular requirement using which algorithm, or you can say using which approach we can solve this particular problem statement. So nowadays we have so many options. We can build the AI from the scratch. We can use existing models which is available open source. Some models are available, like a GPT models are available as a API key. You have to pay for it. So you will be the person who can decide that what we need over here. Okay, and then the different situation came over here that, okay, you can write down the requirements. You can give to the particular developers who can develop this particular model, right? How you can deploy it, how it is. So deployment is a very critical part over here. Okay, because AI deployment, it's not something easy which you can just build the website and deploy it. No, it's not like that. But there is so many dependency came over here with the deployment. So you will be the person who can decide how to deploy, where to deploy, how to integrate all these things. You will not do it, but you will guide the person. And this person, the business analyst who started as a business analyst, they are going to become a project manager or a project lead in a future. Then came the engineers. Okay, AI engineers or data scientist, whatever, right? uh, they will come over here. They will build the models from the scratch. They will do some analysis. They will build the model, uh, and just give you the model. Okay, now for the deployment, there is another person who we can call it as a MLOps engineer. Okay, so same as a DevOps is for the development side, basically the website and everything. MLOps engineer is specifically going into the deployment side of the machine learning models, or AI ML ops, you can say. Okay. So nowadays, so many things are came AI ML ops or LLM ops. so many things. Okay, so who will only take care about the deployment, continuous integration, continuous training of the model, continuous deployment of the new models, all these things. Okay, and then in the end, in the top of everything, if you know everything, okay, you will become a full stack AI engineer. Okay, so yeah, no need to go there. You will go there with the experience, but this all are the part, and there is a small parts as well in between, like a data analyst, data visualization engineer, BI engineer. So who will take care of the analysis of the data, and making some graph showing to the stakeholders for an initiative approach. So this all are the roles are there. Okay, it's not like the only one role AI engineer is going to be a there, or a machine learning engineer is going to be a there. Okay, so you have a various role, you have a various market over here. You can apply in anyone, right? You can start your career with anything, and then you can switch your career in any of the domain by getting an experience. Okay, so yep, this is the whole world of AI, and there is a so many small parts as well. So as I told you, like I am mostly working with the NLP and the Gen AI side. Similarly, there is a person who is completely working into with the image kind of a data. They called it as a computer vision engineers. Okay, a person like me who is working with the audio data, text data. Okay, we can call it as a NLP engineers, right? So it is like that. So there is a very small components, and you will learn it with the time. Once we'll start the course, when we'll start learning all these things, we'll be able to understand, and you will get the interest basically. So my approach over here is to give you the guidance, give you the basics. You know your base should be strong, and then on top of it you will get to know that what's your interest, right? So you want to work with the numerical kind of a data, you want to work with the image or a video kind of a data, or you want to work with the text kind of a data. So that interest you will get over here. Okay, and after getting this particular interest, you can go deep down into that. I'll help you out in the same as well. Go deep down into that particular topic, learn about it, and pursue your career.